kill you.
What's wrong, Will, man? You keep backing up. You keep backing up. I ain't backing up. All right. Step up. 18, y'all. You fresh.
He said, hey, he said the struggle is over.
Right? You lefty? You left-handed? Okay, get that torch in that hand. Take your time. Don't burn me up. Turn the other way. Don't go one way, you go the other way. There you go. Come on. Listen. You hear? All strike. Strike. There you go. Cut off the door. Yeah, cut off the door again. You gotta get used to that pop. That pop.
Oh, man, check that. Man, check that.
Boom.
What that joint right there? Yeah.
Where you get that from?
With a happy spot. Put it up there. Put it on the field. There you go. Good. You got there. What you doing?
I get to burn one, Steve.
Yeah, you can burn one, baby. Tap it.
Tap it with the solder. See if it's hot enough.
I might burn one.
No,
burn it
slap
first.
up. Let me see.
Love you.
Yeah, that's what you can do. That's what you need.
You started that hill. You started that LC?
Yeah.
I got you. I got your number, LC. LC, put you on the hit list. Look up, yeah. Put you on the hit list, yeah. That's on the hit list.
Oh, yeah. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Oh,
You
yeah.
burn yourself up a couple of times. It's all right.
Oh, he's young, though. He's good. He's good.
You got a bucket of water to throw on somebody when they catch yourself on fire.
You got one, ain't T?
I'm on.
T work with the salt and T gonna get it.
There you go.
Oh, wheel up. Wheel you up. You on camera. I wish I had one of them, what they call it? Action. Yeah, one of them. Somebody make me one. Will. We'll make one for Will. Cut. Yeah. Now he put on the glove, cut. Yeah, cut.
Take two, right?
Scene 3, take 1.
Bam.
Oh, here we go. Will boy giving you a hard time, Will.
You know what
And
he's doing.
it's all in fun, man.
You know what he's doing. Look at him.
I'm silly. Oh! Look at him. You ain't gonna smile while you doing it. That's it. Knock that knot off. Knock that knot off. Wow.
No break. No break. Good brother.
Spaghetti-o.
A lot of times, y'all, when you're sweating, you'll see a little bubble, or we call them grapes. They'll be on the bottom. Just take your solder and flick it off of there. But be careful because the people standing around. So just kind of like wipe it off now, okay?
Who next up? Who next up? Oh, I got Alabama A&M behind me. Alabama A&M. Oh, he over there. I thought he was behind me. He can switch. I wonder what you were talking about. I thought you had a mirror. Well, you know that thing will flip on you. Yeah, see, I can.
Steve, it's
I
the
can
spark
flip
in
it
that
to where.
thing that makes that gas.
It's a flint. It's a flint. Yeah. Right. It makes it spark and that's
I like that.
get that ring. There we go.
Can you fix a leak on a gas water tank with the gas on with that?
With the gas on?
You know, like this a gas water tank.
Yeah. But you ain't gonna fix it with water in the pipe. It won't get hot enough if you have water in the pipe. You gotta drain it down.
Like that joint. Look
at
at
that.
that.
Look at that joint.
Look at that joint. That's your nice joint. Hey, Chief. Wait some more. Downstairs. It's in the refrigerator. Get your coat. Get some ice. Free water.
Yeah, you can sweat that one. I'm saying, no, I have to.
I'm scared to leave. My girl, my car blew my phone up. Hey, you want to come to my car? She hit me one of them. I don't know what to do. Somebody can show him how to sew. You good. You good. Yeah. Your turn. There you go. Lamar Odom.
Hey, you ain't wipe your joint now. You thought Lamar Odom.
Y'all gonna be pretty good. We just gotta keep practicing that.
Practice make perfect. Oh, who that? Oh, focus factor. What? Oh, man, I can't. Oh, my bad. No more heat. You good. Just beat it around. Knock your brake off. Next. Oh, you next? Who we got? Let me see. Byron Davis, come on. Byron Davis.